Today we're gonna cook banana bread. We will need brown sugar, eggs, butter, oats, banana, baking powder, flour and salt. To get the best result, the bananas should be ripe. We will use a mug to measure all the ingredients. The first thing that we have to do is to cut the bananas. Now, when all the pieces are in the bowl, we mash them with a fork. Like this should be the final result of the bananas. Now we put half of a mug with butter, we add it in the pan, and when it is liquid, we add the butter in the bowl. And now we mix everything. It's time to add 3 eggs in the bowl. We mix everything again. In another bowl, we put a mug of brown sugar. We add also a little bit of salt, a mug and a half of flour, and a little spoon of baking powder.
Grabando.
Now we put the 2 balls together. And we mix everything. When the mix is ready, we add a bunch of oats into the bowl and we mix everything again. We will put baking paper in a tray for the oven before putting the mix.
Grabando.
We add the mix. Now we put the tray in the oven 180 degrees during 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, it's ready to eat.